Healthy habits for a happier mind, proven strategies to excel at wellness. Are you struggling to maintain a healthy and happy mind? Do you often feel overwhelmed by the stresses of daily life? If so, you're not alone. Mental health is a crucial component of overall well-being. And it's essential to prioritize it just as much as physical health. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies to excel at wellness, focusing on healthy habits that can help you achieve a happier mind. One of the most critical healthy habits for mental wellness is getting enough sleep. Sleep is essential for both physical and mental health, and it's vital to prioritize it. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, mood swings, and even depression. So, make sure you're getting at least 7 hours of sleep each night. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Avoid caffeine and electronics before bedtime, and create a comfortable sleep environment to ensure a restful night's sleep. Another crucial healthy habit for mental wellness is exercise. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters, and helps to improve overall physical health. So, try to incorporate at least 30 minutes of exercise into your daily routine. This can be anything from a brisk walk to a yoga class or a gym session. Find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Healthy eating is also essential for mental wellness. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help to improve mood and reduce stress. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar, as these can lead to mood swings and energy crashes. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that nourish both your body and mind. In addition to these healthy habits, it's essential to prioritize self-care. This can include anything from taking a relaxing bath to spending time in nature to practicing mindfulness or meditation. Find activities that help you to relax and recharge, and make them a regular part of your routine. Finally, it's crucial to seek help if you're struggling with your mental health. There's no shame in asking for help, and it's essential to prioritize your well-being. Whether it's talking to a friend or family member, seeking counseling, or consulting with a healthcare professional, there are many resources available to support you. In conclusion, there are many proven strategies to excel at wellness and achieve a happier mind. By prioritizing healthy habits like sleep, exercise, and healthy eating, practicing self-care, and seeking help when needed, you can improve your mental health and overall well-being. So, start incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine today, and take the first step towards a happier, healthier you.